Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing a mascara. This is the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, so if you want to see what my thoughts on this mascara are, definitely keep on watching. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe down below. Press the red button, it's free, and you get to join my family here on YouTube. So I'd love for you guys to subscribe. Alright guys, so let's get into the video. As I said in the intro, I will be reviewing the Thrive Cosmetics mascara. So this is what it looks like. This is the box it comes in. Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. It is supposed to lengthen and give you some volume. This mascara is a very special formulation. It has orchid stem cell complex. So this is a tubing mascara. I've heard that mascaras like this are really easy to remove. So I'm super excited about that. And I love a mascara that's, you know, lengthening and volumizing. So let's see what this gives us. Don't mind my hair. It is nice and curly and just natural. I am trying to stay away from using heat on my hair, so don't mind that. And I went a little ham on like the eye makeup today because I was playing around with my Huda Beauty palette and I love that thing to death. It is bomb. And then I did do the soap brow, so my eyebrows are probably a lot thicker than they normally are, but you know, I'm actually really liking the way they came out. Hopefully you guys like them too. If you want to see like how I did them, definitely leave me a comment down below and I can show you. So right off the get, this container is very, very heavy compared to like other mascaras. I have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang. This is very, very good, very lengthening, but this mascara is extremely hard to take off. So when it comes down to removing my makeup, it's really hard to take this thing off. But other than that, it's really, really good, and I really enjoy using it because it makes my eyelashes look like they're false lashes, and I don't like wearing false lashes all that much. I do it sometimes, but most of the time I don't like it. This is the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes. This is heavy, but nothing compared to this container right here. This is actually metal, and these are both made out of plastic, so that's probably why it is so heavy. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see how this mascara applies. So this is the wand. It's like a plastic but short bristled wand. So right off of the first impression, I can see that it's lengthening my eyelashes a lot. So that's just one coat. I think I'm going to try it and see if I can layer it. Alright, so trying to build it up. I like the way they look, but if you like spidery lashes, you're gonna love this. If you don't like spidery lashes, definitely just do one coat. The first coat was in like a spidery lash type situation, but this to me is pretty dang good. Mascara versus no mascara, complete difference. I did not even curl my lashes. They are just, you know, curling up by themselves. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye. So far, I'm quite impressed and really digging this mascara. This is considered a high-end mascara as well. You can purchase it online through Thrive Cosmetics. I'll leave their link down below. Alright, so that's both lashes done. I think it actually looks very, very good. I've been told that this is a really easy mascara to remove, so I'm super excited about that. This mascara is supposed to be a flake-free liquid fiber technology that combines buildable fibers and Korean plant extracts for instantly longer, thicker lashes. And what contributes to that is the orchid stem cell complex stimulates and encourages lash growth. So that's absolutely amazing. I love anything that will help my eyelashes grow, and this claims to do that. So with time, I'm sure you will see that. So another thing that I like about this mascara that I'm reading on the side, it says beauty with a purpose. For every product purchased, one is donated to help a woman thrive. So that's really awesome. I love that. I know Tatcha does about the same situation. Alright guys, so final impressions on this mascara. It is very, very lengthening. It is very black as well, so I love that. I feel like this gives me that false lash effect that I'm looking for. I also like the benefits that it does have. It is more of a natural mascara that helps grow your lashes, and it's an easy removal mascara as well, so I love that. When it's hard to remove your mascara, you can bring your lashes with every single time that you use that specific mascara. So the fact that this one's really easy to remove is definitely a plus for me, as well as the smudge proof. A lot of mascaras will end up leaving like black marks all over my face, so if this is one of the ones that doesn't, I will be super happy about that. I will leave you a update in the description bar letting you know if this is a long-lasting smudge proof mascara, because I definitely need to wear it a little bit longer to let you know. But yeah, as of right now, I am completely in love. I love this mascara. I feel like not enough people talk about this. I've seen Kathleen Lights and another person talk about this on YouTube. So if you haven't already checked this out, definitely do. It's worth a try. You might end up falling in love with it. If I do find a dupe for this mascara, I definitely will make a video on it and share it with you guys, because this is a high-end mascara and it is kind of pricey, but if it's good, I feel like it's worth the buy. Those are my thoughts on this mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.